everyone, I am Adesh and our team comprises of Rakesh, Dinesh, Mallikarjuna, Pujasri and Lahari. We are from BV Raju Institute of Technology ECE department. Firstly, I would like to thank Texas Instrument for providing a platform to present our idea and explore a lot more through Texas Instrument Innovation Challenge 2019. We are here to present our idea UV Tab.
Foodborne illness is usually self-treatable, as bacteria and virus are the main reasons for serious outbreak of diseases. Immediate detection of such pathogens is mandatory. Many diseases such as corona, swine flu, etc. are springing up, hence taking precautions is obligatory.
Turning over to the product features. Product features are something that ultimately matters to the customer. Usually, a product feature is a specific piece of functionality that has a corresponding benefits or set of benefits for the user. Features should be evaluated in such a way that they will add value for the product's end users. And our product will provide many of such features, including capability, user interface, performance, and status. So, let us discuss about the first product feature, that is capability. End users of the product by observing its unique capability. Tentatively, our product UV Tap has a capability of detecting germs present on our hands. And next is the performance of a product. Performance always triggers the functional aspects of the product. UV Tap ensures to give the specific outcomes that we desire, and it works accordingly by producing the beneficial results. Coming to the user interface, UI or the user interface is something with which the person interacts. Here, we are using an LCD interface where the user could observe the results of detection. And finally, the product status. It is the result of the product's success or failure in the market, where one can analyze their business development on this basis. Let us discuss about multiple disciplines involved with several cutting edge technologies employed. So, multiple disciplines or multidisciplinary design is when different design disciplines are used together. And the multidisciplinary designs that are included in our product may be described as follows. First one is the identity design. This identity design talks about the appearance of the end product. Secondly, we would discuss about the interface design. Interface design talks about all the hardware components interfacing the sensors, camera modules, UV light and LEDs as well as LCDs with the TI and non-TI boards. This is usually a single screen in the software application which we have used. And coming to the industrial design, it usually talks about how the components are manufactured using different manufacturing techniques. And finally, interaction design. Interaction design is used to determine how the various user interfaces fit and flow together as a whole. Because when using a device, people need to understand how to accomplish their goals and they need to know what choices are available and how to make them.
The TI components used in our IDEA UVTAP are MSP430Z2 Launchpad, CC3200 Launchpad, CC110L RF Boost Pack, LM7805 Voltage Regulator, and the non-TI components are ultrasonic, LEDs, LCD, and the camera module. Coming to MSP430Z2 Launchpad. MSP430 Launchpad is a hardware development tool for MSP430 value line series of microcontrollers and is used popularly among hobbyists for its low cost and its features. It is an easy way to start developing on the MSP430 MCUs with onboard emulation for programming and debugging as well as the buttons and LEDs for the simpler user interface. This is used for analog communication as it has 8 analog channels, and it is also used for the embedded processing as all the microcontrollers embedded in the single launchpad. Coming to CC3200 launchpad. This launchpad Wi-Fi reference design featuring the Simple Link Wi-Fi. CC3200 Internet on a chip solution with integrated MCU was designed to enable Internet of Things. This embedded Wi-Fi solution is a wireless MCU that integrates a high-performance Cortex M4 MCU and peripherals allowing customers to develop an entire application with a single IC. CC3200 includes an M4 core running at 80 MHz with RAM options up to 256 KB, providing flexibility to match your end application. Coming to CC110L RF Booster Pack. The CC110L RF Booster Pack is a low-power wireless transceiver extension kit for use with the Texas Instruments MSP EXP430Z2 Launchpad Development Kit. Based on the CC110L device, the onboard Anargon Integrated Radio AIR A110LR09A radio module with integrated antenna operates in the European 868-870 MHz and US 902-928 MHz ISM bands. The included software application called AIR Booster Stack demonstrates an example sensor network as well as network status reporting. For CC110L, it is used as both analog communication and embedded processing. Coming to LM7805 voltage regulator. LM7805 is a 5 volts output positive voltage regulator IC. It is a IC of LM78XX positive voltage regulator series. It is manufactured in T0, 220 and other packages. This IC is quite reliable, due to which is widely used in commercial equipment and educational project.
Let us see the virtual demonstration of the proposed idea. Here we can observe that whenever hands are placed under the scanner, the visible light is focused onto the hands for detecting germs and pathogens. Later, it processes the information and displays a green light indicating our hands are free from germs. Else, it displays a red light which indicates us to wash our hands properly.